The Sinoboom micro scissor lift family is popular with customers throughout the market. Watch on to find the reasons why. The family features front-wheel drive, which is anti-skid, especially when driving indoors and uphill. Front-wheel drive has a smaller turning radius, ideal for use indoors and in narrow space. Combined with a double rod steering cylinder, equal steering force at both left and right wheels is ensured, providing a better driving experience. The lockable door handle helps protect your machine when not in use. These models are equipped with both ground and platform DTC control systems. Service engineer friendly. All cables and pipes in the swing-out trays are clearly marked, allowing quick maintenance and helping minimize downtime. Discover AGM maintenance-free batteries come as standard, which also provide long working endurance. Unique bumper rails protect paint and decals, helping keep machines looking like new. Structural parts are treated with an automobile-grade electrophoretic coating process. This protects against corrosion and paint aging while providing a consistent, durable paint finish, ensuring higher quality and longer service life. Fully open gate not only offers safe and reliable performance, but is also operator-friendly, enabling easy and comfortable platform entry. 1. Sinoboom micro scissor lifts stand out in their category, particularly for features such as the compact size, combined with large platform loading capacity of 240 kilograms, 529 pounds, and 230 kilograms, 507 pounds respectively. 2. They can work both indoors and outdoors, with a maximum 2 platform occupants indoors and 1 occupant outdoors. 3. Compact enough to pass through standard doorways and lightweight enough to travel in elevators. 4. All this gives them the versatility to help get jobs done easily and makes them suitable for all kinds of applications, such as factories, manufacturing maintenance, warehouses, office buildings, and so on. Follow us on our channels for more product introductions.